Hello everyone. Today we are exploring PicCraft, your creative powerhouse within Pegasus Cloud. PicCraft makes designing professional looking graphics for your social media channels simple and efficient. First and foremost step, accessing PicCraft. Just log into your Pegasus Cloud with your email and your password. Once you're logged in, navigate to Apps section here on top. Click on it. Now click on PicCraft within Creative Tools. So we have PicCraft here. Click on it. Now the second step is to discover PicCraft drafts. So here you will see drafts. PicCraft offers a rich library of customizable templates tailored to different social media platforms and purposes. Platforms such as Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and X. And here you will find post types such as motivational quotes, educational content, promotions, testimonials, questions, and more. You can easily browse through drafts. Here you have home. Here you can see recent and recommended templates. Under my project, you can access your saved or in progress designs. Under my profile, you can personalize your PicCraft profile. You can click here and then customize it as per your requirement. The third step is to choose and edit a draft. So you need to click on design. Let's say this one, do's and don'ts. You can click your details here and change it. You can edit details here by clicking on top, add your name, edit your phone number or your email address. And you can also add details here. The province, license number, that is something you can add here. And then you can click here and add your headshot if you like. You can also name your project and then you can edit profile, edit your name, your province, designation, license number, phone number, email, and the profile picture. Once it's done, you can simply preview. Click on preview here. So this will help you in seeing how your graphic will look like. So this is how it will look like. Just close it. Once you're satisfied, just click on save to store your design in PicCraft. It's getting loaded. Okay, perfect. So this is your project. You can also filter your saved graphic by date, social media platforms, filter by X, LinkedIn, Facebook, or Instagram, or the post type, quickly locate the type of graphic you need, for example, motivational quotes or promotions. You can also download your saved graphic. After saving, access your graphic from my project. So this is under my project. Now you click here and then you can download media file to your folder. Once you click on it, it will get downloaded to your media. So just click on it and then you can access it here. You can cross it out. Now the profile update is complete. Congratulations. You have successfully created a customized social media graphic using PicCraft. By following these steps, you can consistently share eye-catching professional content that builds your brand. Let's get creative. Feel free to explore PicCraft's vast potential. Don't hesitate to ask if you have any questions. Thank you.